I'm going to show you how to share a story on Instagram. Whether it's your own story, a post you're tagged in, or someone else's story, I'll walk you through all the methods. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your stories shared with your friends and followers. Let's get started. Before we dive into how to share a story, let's quickly recap what Instagram stories are. Instagram stories are temporary photos or videos that disappear after 24 hours. They appear at the top of your Instagram feed and are great for sharing momentary content like daily activities, quick updates, or creative ideas. Stories let you be more spontaneous compared to regular posts. Now that we understand what stories are, let's see how to share them. The first and most common way to share a story on Instagram is by sharing your own. Here's how to do it. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Tap the plus icon from the bottom. From the list on the bottom, select Story. Once in the Story camera, you can either take a photo or video by tapping the shutter button or holding it down for video. To upload content from your gallery, tap on the gallery icon and select any photo or video you want to share from your device. Instagram offers lots of creative tools to customize your story, such as filters, stickers, text, and even music. After taking or selecting your content, tap on the icons at the top of the screen to add stickers or text, or swipe left to apply filters. Once you're happy with your story, tap the Your Story button at the bottom left of the screen to post it. If you want to share it with only a select group of people, tap on Close Friends to limit who can view your story. Your story is now live, and it will stay visible for 24 hours. One of the coolest features on Instagram is the ability to share someone else's post with your own story. Here's how to do that. When you're scrolling through your feed and come across a post that you want to share in your story, tap the paper airplane icon below the post. From the menu that pops up, tap on Add to Story. The post will appear in your story editor, where you can resize, move, or customize it further. Just like before, you can add stickers, text, GIFs, or even tag people in your story before sharing it. Tap your story to post the shared content. Note: you can only share posts from public accounts unless the post you're sharing is from someone who tagged you. Now that you know how to share stories, here are a few tips to make your stories stand out. Posting stories regularly keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Instagram offers interactive tools like polls, question stickers, and emoji sliders that encourage your followers to interact with your stories. Rather than posting random images, try to tell a cohesive story with your series of posts. This will keep your followers interested and engaged. Adding hashtags and location tags can increase your story's visibility and help you reach a wider audience. And there you have it. Now you know how to share your own story or someone else's post. Whether you're sharing personal updates, tagging friends, or showcasing your favorite posts, Instagram stories are a powerful way to engage with your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.